Hello, my beloved friends. How are you today? I am so excited to be with you. My name is Liviere. I'm a TV lifestyle expert and blogger, and I make videos most every week on faith, beauty, and lifestyle. And in today's video, we are going to be giving you some tips on how to create that really fresh, really clean, minimal makeup look. And I'm sharing with you all of the skincare products that I use previous to my actual makeup routine that create that really fresh, dewy, fresh skin, just really simple makeup routine. I hope you love this video, and if you do, give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people like yourself. The first step into a clean and fresh beauty look is your skincare. So I'm gonna go through the morning skincare steps that I take to make sure that my skin is nice and prepped and ready for the day. The first thing that we're gonna go in with is with this Biossance toner. This is a BHA toner that is a light exfoliant. We're gonna put just a little bit of that on a cotton pad and press that into the pores. I'm gonna use this Glow Recipe Niacinamide Dewdrops. These are so good. This is a new bottle. I just bought this. This is my third time buying this. So I'm gonna take 2 little pumps of this and press it into the skin. This is going to create super beautiful, dewy, bouncy hydration. I have seen some old videos where I haven't taken care of my neck, and you can totally tell it's like really nice skin on the face, but the neck needs some help. Typically when I'm in the bathroom, I take my skincare and go from the very top here to the chest area. Next up, I'm gonna go in with this amazing oil free. This is the brand Go To, and this is their Hero face oil, which I love. I love doing face oils. Oh my gosh, I forgot eye cream. Eye cream goes on first before anything else. If I have any extra product, I'll put it on my hands. Biossance Squalene eye cream. Oh my gosh, this stuff is so good. It's so good. This is my second time buying this. You only need a very little bit, and it goes a long way. I'm gonna go in with the Magic Cream from Charlotte Tilbury. This stuff is so good. It has 8 different ingredients that are super packed with moisture enhancing goodness. Very important, sunscreen every day, all day. Even bring it on to my ears. That is the skin completed, and as you can tell, the skin is already feeling and looking so much better and brighter and beautiful, and it's ready for any kind of makeup look. Today's look is going to be the clean girl, which I believe is fresh, sophisticated, very minimal. When I think about this term, clean beauty or clean girl, and why it's being so popular, is that I think that we all crave to feel that feeling of cleanliness and newness, and we don't want to feel gross and dirty and shameful, right? But there's this aspect of us that is always sort of second guessing whether we're worthy of love and connection. Through this video, I hope that you know that you are worthy of love and connection. There's nothing that you have done to separate you from the love of God, and He alone makes you clean. So as you do your makeup, as you do all the things that you do to feel that cleanliness, know that whatever has happened to you, whatever you have experienced, it all gets renewed and restored by God in His mercy. The first product that I'm going to use is also a moisturizer, but what I love about it is that it has this capability of turning your skin sort of like its best self. So if you don't want to wear foundation that day, which is what we're doing today, we're going very minimal, very easy, no foundation, clean, aesthetic girl look, right? So we're going for something that doesn't have like a ton of foundation. We want a product that is going to just even out the skin tone. And this product is like magic. It's so, look at that. It's so pretty. It just, I don't really use it as my moisturizer because I feel like I need a little bit more moisture, but when I want to even out my skin tone and I don't want to wear foundation, this one is my go-to base product that I put on the skin to begin with. This is the Forever Skin Correct Dior Concealer, and I'm going to take a little bit of that and just pop it on the eyes and then make a little line right here to elongate the eye. Less is more with this. I have little pimples on my chin, so I'm gonna do just a little bit more extra on this little area. Then I will take a damp beauty blender and blend that all in. What I love about this concealer is it's so beautiful to build up. You can use a little bit to start with, which is my recommendation for any kind of foundation or base product. Is the smaller amount that you use to begin with, the better, because you allow yourself to build up if you need to, rather than having a really thick base and then you're just kind of out of luck at that point. We're gonna start grooming those eyebrows, and I don't have, you know, those really big fluffy thick eyebrows that a lot of the girls with that have done mean girl aesthetic, but I want you to take that as a good thing, because not all of us look the same and not all of us need to be looking just like each other. God made us all different, and he made us all in his image, and if he made us all in his image, that means that whatever it is that you look like, however it is that your eyebrows look like, or your face or your nose or your mouth, that is what God intended for you to display as his beauty and glory. There is nothing, not one thing from you that God did not give you. And you are beautiful and worthy of love and worthy of value just because he made you unique to be you, just you. The next step into my quick, fresh, clean, aesthetic makeup look is to curl my lashes really, really well. I love this little guy because it has different eye shapes, and it fits into my eye shape really nicely. I don't feel like I'm pulling the lashes or hurting myself in any way. I'm gonna start warming up my mascara. We're gonna take a little bit of bronzer, cream bronzer, and put it on the hand. And then with a little brush, we're gonna take it and warm up the skin. Just in the parts where we would get hit by the sun. I like to put a little bit on the bridge of my nose, just sort of do like a little. I have some cream blushes to try out from Tower, and this is their Beach Please Magic Hour. I'm gonna take a little bit with my finger and go like this. In this look, when it's really nice, dewy, and fresh, and we're using a lot of cream products, what you want to do is, if you want to blend everything out nicely with the Beauty Blender, just kind of marrying everything together. You want to make it look like it's just like your whole skin, you know? Just really fresh with staying power. I like dewy with staying power, so all of the products that I'm using have their track record with longevity. One last cream product. This is Merit's highlighting stick, and I'm just going to put a little bit of that just right there, just to give a really nice, actually I'm going to put it right here, and now I'm going to take a little bit of translucent powder from Laura Mercier. I'm going to set all of that with a little translucent powder just in the middle of the face. And then just setting a little bit of that bronzer that we did with the cream and setting it with a beautiful powder bronzer. This one from Charlotte Tilbury is so nice. It's very blendable, so beautiful. What I love to do as well, just to kind of make everything kind of cohesive, is I like to go into the eye and just give it a little bit of shadow and definition. And with this look, because we are trying to keep it very everyday, very fresh, very clean, we're not going to do a whole lot of mascara. We're just going to make sure that we can see them, we can define them, but we're going to keep it really simple here. When I do this, still really like to do my bottom lashes, just because I've just been used to that. But if you're different and you don't like to do your bottom lashes, this is the time to not do them, because we're doing something very everyday, very minimal, very fresh, very clean. And by the way, this mascara is so good, especially now for spring and summer. It is not a waterproof mascara, but it is crying proof. I've cried in it so many times and it does not let you down. Sorry, two more things. I will go in with this Merit eyebrow gel. I will sweep a little bit of eyebrow gel just on the eyebrows to make them stay. The very last thing is just a very nude, simple lip, and this pencil from L'Oreal is so good. It suits my skin tone really nicely. And this is the finished makeup look. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you took something from it, like there is nothing that you can do to be unloved by God. There is nothing, no uncleanliness that you can have that God can't meet, that God can't heal, that God can't restore. And if you are craving that feeling of being clean, I just prayerfully ask that you would surrender your heart to Jesus, because he is the only one that can truly make us clean. We can try all day long to do a bunch of stuff on the outside to feel that way, but he is the only one that does the work internally and restores anything that you have gone through that has made you feel not clean. And I just believe that we have this beautiful opportunity of inviting a God who is so merciful to give his life for ours, that we wouldn't live in condemnation and shame, but that we would have life and have life abundant. I'm praying for your life. I'm praying for your hope. I'm praying that this video, if anything, gave you some just tips on how to do your makeup quickly, in a clean manner, and in a way that made you feel really fresh and dewy and beautiful. I hope that you share this video with someone that you love, and I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.